Hello friends, if you have your own car and sometimes some small problem keeps coming in that car, then today I will provide you information about how you can remove those small problem on your own. Many times when you drive a car, the light goes off while running that car. There are many reasons for the light to stop. First of all, you park the car on one side of the road. After the check the connection of the battery, if only the front light is off, then the starting connections should be checked or relay may be also be damaged. After checking all this, where the fuses are attached, you can also check the fuse. When you see the box with the fuse, different types of ratings are written on it and it is shown which fuse is used for which device. Nowadays, due to overload or due to short circuit, the light of the vehicle turns off. When you open the box of fuse, you will see that some extra fuses of the different ratings are also given in it. You can also check the rating of any light that has been damaged and place it in the place of extra fuse. What to do? This you will have to take care of its rating. If you look carefully, a small diffuser is also provided to remove and install the fuse so that you can easily remove and attach the fuse. If any fuse is getting damaged again and again, you should take the car to a good mechanic and check its circuit thoroughly so that it does not spoil the fuse again. There can be several reasons for the fuse to deteriorate rapidly, such as either the circuit is overloading or fuse rating are not matching. For example, if there is a fuse of 5 ampere, then it should not be that if you are using a fuse of 10 ampere or 15 ampere there. If it is, then the circuit of your vehicle will be overloaded and in this case all the lights of the vehicles will be switched off because the circuit works as protection unit. So if you use the fuse of the wrong rating, then it will overload it and spoil. Another problem that is commonly seen in that cooling fan stops working and the engine of the vehicle start overheating. In such a situations, if you are traveling alone and it is night time, then by putting water there and you can take it to workshop a little further. While adding water, we must keep in mind if the radiator is hot, no water should be poured. Another problem that is commonly seen is that the car tire has to be changed. To change the tire, first of all, you park the car in flat position. Only then you will be able to easily check. Loosen the nut bolt of the tire slightly before installing the jack and after jacking up, replace the tire with the spare tire. The spare tire is always kept in the car's lap. After changing the tire, the jack should be kept in its place. If you keep it open, it will make a lot of noise while driving. Now, if your vehicle's horn is stopped while driving, what should you do? There are also many reasons for the horn to stop, such as the fuse blow or the fuse terminal are loose. Many times the mechanic does not see any small reasons and directly changes the horn. You can check that horn yourself in two ways. First of all, connect the two terminals of the horn. When you touch them together, there will be little spark. If there is a contact, then the electrical supply is perfectly fine, but still the horn is not working. Now you can clean the little bit rusted above the terminal and put the terminal in its place again. If the horn is still not ringing, then you can directly attach two wires with the horn from the battery. If your horn sound, clean its terminal and little bit and put it again in the same place. In this way, the horn of the vehicle will start ringing again. Now it comes that if the cooling system of the vehicle is not working, then what should we do? As you all know that Himachal Pradesh is a hilly region, and if we have used plain water instead of coolant, and suddenly we have to go to place where there is snow or temperature of that place is very cold, then you should not take your car there, because if you take that vehicle in very cold temperature, then the plain water will freeze and its volume will also increase. Then this increased volume can break the radiator. So in these situations, it is important to have coolant in your car, so that if you take a car to a hill area, no unnecessary situation arises. The main function of coolant is that it does not allow the water to freeze and maintain the temperature of the vehicle. If there is no coolant in the vehicle, the higher the water you take the car, the more the water will boil, and in this case the engine of vehicle will also be overheated. Cooling Coolant ratio in the cooling system is 70-30. It contains 70% coolant and 30% water. Coolant also known as antifreeze solution. After that, we should use clean water to clean the windscreen of the vehicle. If you are going to a mountainous area, use windshield wiper solution in their container. The temperature is very cold, then you need to run the wiper if you want to clean the windscreen. And if you do not use the windshield cleaner solution, then the glass of your vehicle will remain dirty, so that there is possibility of an accident happening.